Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and we out here in Phoenix, Arizona. We're about to go meet with a couple other moto vloggers, and we're gonna have a fucking good ass time. Heading to the stunt lot right now. But yeah, let's explore Phoenix, Arizona, baby. What's up, man? Lars.
Tom.
Nice to meet you. Is this the wheelie lot, or?
I think it's right there on the road close. That's like a little stretch right there. Where
okay. How's your foot feeling, bro?
Still good, bro. Fucking healing up. It's getting there.
Oh. It's still fucking bleeding. Holy toots. Can I ride the Grom?
Yeah, I mean, the foot brake doesn't really work too good.
Does the handbrake work?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy shit. Bro, Groms are funky. Holy shit. Killing it, and I'm just sitting here. Yeah, dude, Groms are pretty fucking sick. I need to get one. Woo! Hustle on. Get it, brother. Woo! Pulling that bad boy up. Y'all are shredding. Good shit. Yeah, love it. Ooh, if you wheel it too fast, bro, you're going right into this shit. You're like, fuck! Right into a water jug.
What gear do you do seat standing in?
Usually third or fourth.
Yeah, I usually do on the third.
Yeah, second's a little touchy. It's like, hang on this. Thank you. Hey. DRZ seat stander right here. That's so smooth. Like once you're up there, bro, you're literally chilling on the throttle. Straight bulling. Oh baby, yo, that was fucking wicked, bro. I was literally straight bulling in that coaster. No, that was clean, bro.
Hey, bro, I learned those because of you.
Really? You're smooth on the throttle. Nice, super smooth on the throttle. Just me and me. We're DRZ brothers, dude. Yeah, this is sick, bro. Phoenix bike life, baby. Shwee out here. Ready? Yeah, you'll let me ride it? Wicked. About to ride my first 701. Bro, look at that. Flossy right there. God damn. Wow. Holy shit. Yo, this bitch is fast. It's so quiet though, I'm not used to it. Oh shit, he has his phone in here. Yeah, let me look on his phone. Ding 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 ding. Scraping that pail. I called it a pail. Hey, look at that beautiful DRZ. this bike feels good. Damn.
It almost feels like that doesn't have as much torque, but I mean...
No, yeah, it feels like it's less torque, but like it's faster for sure.
Once you get up, it has more top end.
Oh yeah, but it's real smooth though, like felt good. Hey, let's race. Let's race real quick. Yeah. Hey, we're gonna race. Yeah, this is what I like to see. Hey. Yo, dude, literally, like, that's so beautiful right now. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Hey, yo, we got another person behind us. Yes, bro. For God's sake, I gotta hold my drink. Hey. Shredding. Hit the turn. Oh! Look at that. My boy shredding. Oh, that foot drag. Yo! Oh, Revler. That was fucking lit. Woo! Little sketchy. Yo, look at this shit, bro. Yo, we got all these. This is lit. This is a ride out right here. Phoenix, Arizona, baby. Yo, we got the little pack with us. Yo, dude, my eyes are getting so fucking watered right now. I mean, literally, my eyes are watering. But dude, this is so fucking badass right now. Just riding with the squad, like, literally, we got the whole squad with us, fucking shredding, ganging. Yeah, brother. Oh yeah. Smooth with it. Yes. Litty titty! Yeah, baby. Did you see Navi was off the perkies? He was leaning. What? Woo! Fuck, bro. My wrist can't handle it, bro. I need more wrist muscle. God damn it. I thought that was a cop for a minute. I was like, oh shit. Little off-road sash, baby. I fuck with this. Nighttime off-roading. Oh shit. Little sidewalk wheelie action. Oh, what the hell? We're back at the fucking spot? What? That was crazy.